Everyone loves the idea of retiring early. Imagine sipping coffee at 40 while your friends still grind at 9 to 5 jobs. But here's the truth. Most people believe early retirees are some kind of financial unicorns, born rich, lucky with lottery tickets, or insiders in hedge fund openings. That's a myth. The real secret is boring, disciplined systems that anyone, yes, even you, can use. You don't need to predict the next Apple IPO or own multi-million-dollar portfolios today. You need smart, repeatable wealth-building strategies. And today, I'll show you the secrets early retirees won't tell you, step by step. Don't miss the powerful, conclusive takeaway at the end. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Okay, let's get started. Secret number 1. They live like they're broke, even when they're not. Take someone earning $80,000 a year. Instead of buying a luxury car on loan, they drive a used car, invest the difference, and funnel it into real estate or mutual funds. Fast forward 10 years while their peers are buried in car payments and credit card debt, their portfolio is generating dividends big enough to cover rent or groceries. This doesn't mean living miserably. It means intentional spending. You enjoy what you love, maybe travel or hobbies, but you cut ruthlessly on things that don't add long-term value. Early retirees know the real flex isn't driving a Tesla at 30. The real flex is never needing to drive to an office at 40. If your lifestyle inflates every time your salary rises, you'll always be on the hamster wheel. Early retirees consciously break that cycle. They ask, what's enough for me? Once you know your number, everything else goes to investments. Dividend-paying ETFs, bonds, stocks, or even a rental property down payment. Number 2, they obsess over systems, not motivation. Motivation fades. Systems stick. Early retirees don't rely on being good with money every month. They build automatic wealth-building systems so discipline isn't required. For example, automatic transfers the day after payday. A retiree might set 20% to go into an S&P 500 index fund, 10% into dividend stocks, and another slice toward real estate crowdfunding platforms. Before they even see the money, it's invested. The secret here isn't being smarter, it's removing decisions. The fewer decisions you have to make about money, the more consistent you'll be. Early retirees also automate contributions to their retirement portfolio. Here's the truth. You'll never feel ready to invest. That's why automation is powerful. It bypasses your feelings. The difference between someone who invests $500 a month for 20 years versus someone who waits for the perfect time, over $300,000 in net worth. That's not luck, that's a system. Number 3, they treat every dollar as an employee. Here's the thing most people never realize. Every dollar you own has a job. Early retirees don't see money as something to blow on gadgets or the latest streaming subscription. They treat every dollar like an employee working 24/7 to bring back more money. Here's where it gets interesting. Early retirees don't just hire a few employees. They quietly build an entire money army, an invisible company made up of thousands of dollars working non-stop. And when your money army grows large enough, guess what? You stop working for money. Your money works for you. Before we move to the next point, here's a question. If every dollar is an employee, are you treating yours like underpaid temps? Or are you promoting them to managers in your financial future? Number 4, they build invisible income streams. Here's a question. How many ways is money entering your life right now? For most people, it's just one, their job. Early retirees design multiple. They build what I call invisible income streams. Maybe it's $300 a month from dividend stocks. Maybe it's $500 from a small rental property. Or even $200 from an online course they created years ago. None of these alone make them wealthy, but stacked together, they quietly cover huge portions of living costs. Here's the trick. If your annual expenses are $40,000 and your passive income covers $20,000, suddenly you only need half the savings to retire. That's how early retirees collapse the timeline. The beauty of invisible income is that it doesn't depend on you showing up. It doesn't matter if you're on vacation, sleeping, or sipping coffee. It just keeps coming. Early retirees don't chase hundreds of streams. They focus on building a few reliable ones and reinvest the income back into their portfolio. Now, If you think that sounds exciting, wait until point number 5, because I'll reveal the surprising truth. Early retirees don't chase flashy investments at all. They get rich by loving the most boring investments imaginable. Secret number 5. They learn to love boring investments. We've all seen headlines. This stock made investors rich overnight. But early retirees laugh at those stories. Their real strategy? Boring investments that grow silently over decades. Most early retirees load up on index funds like the S&P 500, dividend stocks, and bonds. They dollar-cost average month after month, ignoring the noise. No drama, no gambling, just consistency. Boring works. Flashy is exciting for a moment, but boring makes you wealthy forever. Early retirees don't try to impress people with what they're buying. They impress themselves with what they're building. And speaking of building, point number 6 might surprise you, because it's not about money at all. It's about how early retirees completely redefine what it means to be rich. Number 6, they redefine rich. Most people think being rich means Lamborghinis, penthouses, and designer suits. Early retirees see it differently. For them, being rich is about time, freedom, the ability to wake up and do what they want when they want. Here's the paradox. Many of them live on less money than their peers, but they feel wealthier because they own every hour of their day. Imagine having $500,000 invested in dividend-paying ETFs that pay you $20,000 per year. If your lifestyle only costs $18,000, congratulations, you're financially free. No mansion required. The lesson: wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much control you have. Early retirees use this definition to guide every decision they make. They're not asking, will this make me look rich? They're asking, will this give me more freedom? Number 7, they track numbers like athletes track stats. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people have no idea where their money goes. Ask them their net worth and they'll shrug. Early retirees? They know their numbers cold. They track expenses, net worth, and savings rates the way athletes track their scores. Some use apps, others just spreadsheets, but they always know their financial pulse. The myth is that tracking means being cheap. It doesn't. It means being aware, and awareness gives you control. Athletes don't just hope they're improving. They measure. If you're not measuring your financial stats, you're playing blind. Number 8, they embrace delayed gratification. This is the hardest skill of all. Early retirees are masters at delaying gratification. Instead of buying a $60,000 car, they invest that money. 10 years later, with compounding, that car turns into $120,000. They're not thinking about the thrill today. They're thinking about freedom tomorrow. It's like planting seeds. You don't eat them now because you know they'll turn into a forest later. If you can't delay gratification, you'll always trade your future for your present. That's why so many people stay stuck. Early retirees resist that urge daily. The beauty is that once you get used to waiting, the waiting gets easier, and the rewards magnified. Early retirees don't make life complicated while waiting. In fact, they simplify everything. Which brings us to point number 9. They value simplicity over complexity. You don't need to be a stock market wizard or master technical analysis to retire early. Early retirees know simplicity beats complexity every time. Their portfolios aren't stuffed with 27 different funds. They stick to a few basics, maybe an S&P 500 index fund, a couple of dividend stocks, some bonds, and 1 or 2 rental properties. That's it. Complexity creates stress. Simplicity creates freedom, and freedom is the entire goal. Remember this, Warren Buffett himself says index funds are best for 99% of people. If the greatest investor alive says simplicity wins, why overcomplicate? Early retirees spend less time hacking the system and more time enjoying their lives. That's their secret advantage. And now, for the grand finale, point number 10, the biggest secret of all. The one mindset shift that separates people who retire early from those who work forever. They know patience is the only shortcut. Here it is, the final secret. Patience is the only shortcut. Everyone wants a hack. Buy this IPO, flip this real estate property, time the market for quick stock market appreciation. But early retirees know shortcuts are illusions. The real shortcut is patience. Compounding takes time. At first it feels slow, painfully slow. But just like a snowball rolling downhill, it explodes in size if you give it enough years. The difference between the retiree and the forever worker isn't luck or insider knowledge or even higher salaries. It's patience. The retiree kept investing through market crashes, ignored the noise, and stayed consistent long enough for compounding to take over. The true secret of early retirees: they stick with boring, patient systems long enough to look like geniuses. Here is the powerful takeaway you are waiting for. You don't need to live in America. You don't need to a multi-million-dollar portfolio today. You need discipline, boring investments, and the courage to wait. It's about building systems, delaying gratification, and letting patience multiply your money. In the end, the richest people aren't the ones with the flashiest cars. The richest are the ones who own their time. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it, and subscribe to continue building wealth with me. Now, if you want to know the Japanese kakaibo method of saving money, then watch this video. I'll see you there.